Hello students, welcome back to the new session of our chapter Jugs and Mugs workbook. Last video I had explained page number 61. I hope everybody followed that and they had done. Today we will do page number 62 and 63. So first page number 62, take there you can see some pictures. The pictures of three jars are shown here, and the markings also you can see from 50 ml to 500 ml, and three jars we can see the quantity of water is given in different levels. So by seeing the picture you have to answer the following, fill in the blanks. So jar 1 has dash ml of water. So jar 1 is this one, and here the marking up to which level the water level is there, you can see here it is up to 250 ml. So I had written here 250. Then jar 2 has dash ml. Jar 2 up to the last marking it is there, so it is up to 500. So the jar 2 has 500 ml of water. Now jar 3, its level is up to here. What is that number? It is up to 400. So jar 3 is having 400 ml of water. Now, which jar has least amount of water? Least means smallest or less. Jar 1 has only 250 ml. So answer is jar 1. Which jar has the most amount of water? Maximum water is in which jar? Jar 2. It contains 500 ml. So answer is jar 2. Now the question 9 to 1 you can see. Let us add. Here some questions are given. Addition, liter and milliliter units are also printed here, and according to that we have to plus it. First one, 10 liter 950 milliliter plus 5 liter 650. So addition I had done here. You can see 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, carry over 1, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 6 16. So we will write 6 here and carry over 1 goes to the next number. 5 plus 1 equal to 6 and this 1. So the answer will become 16 liter 600 ml. So like that, next one, 7 liter 075 milliliter plus 5 liter 380 milliliter. So 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 8 equal to 15, carry over 1, 1 plus 3 4, 7 plus 5 equal to 12. So the answer is 12 liter 455 milliliter. Third number, 9 liter 580 milliliter plus 6 liter 709 liter, milliliter. So 9 plus 0 equal to 9, 8 plus 0 equal to 8, 7 plus 5 equal to 12. So carry over 1, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 6 16. So the answer is 16 liter 289 milliliter. Like that, the next one, fourth number, 15 liter 350 milliliter plus 8 liter 950 milliliter. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, carry over 1, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 9 13. So 3 will be writing, 1 goes to the carry over, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 8 equal to 14. So 4 we will write here and 1 plus 1 2. So the answer will become 24 liter 300 milliliter. Next one, 12 liter 18 milliliter. 18 milliliter, so when we will write 0 1 8. 7 liter 324 milliliter. 8 plus 4 equal to 12. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 0 3. 7 plus 2 9 and 1. So the answer is 19 liter 342 milliliter. In this group, last question, 5 liter 815 milliliter plus 4 liter 918 milliliter. 8 plus 5 13, carry over 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. 8 plus 9 17, carry over 1, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 4 10. So the answer is 10 liter 733 milliliter. So students, you also do in the same place without mistake. Now question number B in the same type, but there is no place is there, so I had written in the paper and showing the method also. So you can also take care of book, you can do the calculation and write the answer in the column. Directly you are not able to do, mentally you can't do it. So here find the sum is given, but addition place is not given in the text workbook. So only answer writing in that place, but addition you have to show. So I had written separately 20 liter 350 liter. So before that you see how I had arranged liter milliliter. Milliliter column 3 numbers will be there, 3 zeros are there, so 3 numbers. 20 liter 350 milliliter plus 350 milliliter 975 milliliter plus 10 liter 50 milliliter. So 50 milliliter we cannot write directly 50. So what we will do? 0, 5, 0. Then 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 5, 17. Carry over 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. Here 3. Carry over goes to the next number. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 1, 8. And 3. So answer is 381 liter 375 milliliter. So this answer you can write here, but calculation you do separately. Second question, 2 liter 859 milliliter and 4 liter 520 milliliter. So here it is again plus. So I arranged liter and milliliter. So arrange the number. So you can do the plus. 9 plus 0, 9. 5 plus 2, 7, 8 plus 5, 13, carry over 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. So answer is 7 liter 379 milliliter. So this place you can write the answer. Third question, 18 liter 525 milliliter, 9 liter 750 milliliter and 7 liter 700 milliliter. So I arranged all the 3 numbers in proper order, liter and milliliter. So you can also arrange it, and then plus 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, carry over 1, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, so 5 will be here, 2 will be here, 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 25 liter 975 milliliter. So this addition and subtraction, no place is given, but you have to do the calculation showing in one place. Now second question, that is in page number 63, subtraction is asked, 10th number. So you can see here also I had shown the method, 47 liter 300 milliliter from 50 liter 200 milliliter. So students, you have to be very careful when subtraction this number from that number like that it is given. You have to observe which is the greater value that we will write first. Here 47 liter, here 50 liter. So 50 liter is greater. So from this number we will borrow, so we will minus this one. So 50 liter 200 milliliter minus 47 liter 300 milliliter. So minusing 0, 0, then here 2 and here 3. So what we will do, from the borrow from the neighboring number. So here it is 0. So from the non-zero number we will borrow, make it 10. From this we will borrow here, this 2 become 12 and this 10 become 9. and this 5 become 4. Now 12 minus 3 equal to 9. 9 minus 7 equal to 2 and 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So the answer is 2 liter 900 milliliter. Check whether your answer is right. Second number and answer we will plus, we will get the first two number. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 3, 12, 2 is here, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 0 is here, 1 plus 4, 5. So it is right. Second number, 19 liter 900 milliliter from 20 liter. Here no milliliter is given, but here milliliter is given. So if no number is given, we will write 30. So 20 liter 000 milliliter minus 19 liter 900 milliliter. 0 minus 0, 0, 0. And here 0, here 9. So we will borrow from 2, make it this 0, 10. From this we will borrow here, make it 10, and this become 9, and this 2 become 1. 10 minus 9 equal to 1. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So answer is 100 milliliter. Next one, 4 liter 520 milliliter from 8 liter 859 milliliter. So here greater number is 8 liter 559 milliliter minus 4 liter 520 milliliter. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So the answer is 4 liter 339 milliliter. Again you can check whether it is right or not. 9 plus 0, 9, correct. 3 plus 2, 5, correct. 5 plus 3, 8, correct. 4 plus 4, 8, correct. So I hope you all followed this and do your work also same way. Now next question, 11th number. It is in page number 63 itself. Subtract the following and give your answer in desired unit. So here also I had shown the method, directly not done the answer. So you also do the same way. So first one, subtract 6000 milliliter minus 2500 milliliter. And answer column, it is asking in liter and milliliter. For that you should know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So first we will subtract 6000 minus 2500. 0, 0. And from here 1 borrow, make it 10. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. And here 6 become 5. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So you will get 3500 milliliter. But we cannot write 3500 milliliter. It is asked in the question liter and milliliter. So from the right side, we will make 3 numbers skipping. First one, second one, third one. After that, put a dot. So you will get 3.500. So 3 point means 3 liter 500 milliliter. So that way we can do the separation of liter and milliliter. Next one, 16.5 liter minus 7 liter. 7 liter, here there is no milliliter given, so 0 we will write. 16.5 minus 7.0. So 5 minus 0 equal to 5. Here borrow 1, make it 16 minus 7 equal to 9. So the answer will get, here it is in liter only asking. So 9.5 liter. Third number, 9800 milliliter minus 200 milliliter. And answer is asking again liter and milliliter. So first we will subtract 9800 minus 200 equal to 0, 0. 8 minus 2 equal to 6, 9. So you will get 9600 milliliter. So 3 decimal place, remove 1, 2 and 3. Then put a dot. So 9.600. So 9 point means 9 liter 600 milliliter. 1500 milliliter minus 700 milliliter equal to dash milliliter. Here direct milliliter only asking. So 1500 minus 700 equal to 0, 0. From here borrow, make it 15. 15 minus 7 equal to 8, and this one becomes 0. So answer is in 800 milliliter. Next one, 4.6 liter minus 600 milliliter. Here one part is in liter, one part is in milliliter. So it is better we will convert liter into milliliter. 4.6 liter meaning is 4600 milliliter minus 600 milliliter. 0, 0, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4. So answer is in milliliter asking. So 4000 milliliter. That means 4 liter. Now question number 12. Add the following and given your answer in the desired unit. Same way, instead of subtraction, addition asking, and units are asking. According to that, we have to write the answer. 18 liter plus 75 liter. So answer is asking in milliliter. So 18 liter equal to 18 multiplied by 1000. What we will get? 18,000 plus 75 liter equal to 75 multiplied by 1000 equal to 75,000. Now we can plus 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 3. So 8 plus 5 equal to 13. Carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. So answer is getting 93,000, and question is in milliliter. So 93,000 milliliter. Next one, 4500 milliliter plus 1000 milliliter equal to dash liter dash milliliter. So here first we will plus 4500 plus 1000 equal to 5 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0 equal to 5, 4 plus 1, 5. So you will get answer 5500 milliliter. 3 decimal place remove, so you will get 5 liter 500 milliliter. Next one, 2.75 liter plus 5.5 liter. So 2.75 meaning is 2750 plus 5.5 meaning is 5500. So when we will plus both the milliliters, 0, 5 plus 0 equal to 5, 7 plus 5 12, carry over 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 equal to 8. So the answer is getting in milliliter. So question is in milliliter, 8250 milliliter. Next one, 1 liter 35 milliliter plus 3 liter 50 milliliter equal to. So here again I had shown the method. 1 liter we can convert 1035. 1 liter equal to 1000 plus 35 1035 plus 3 liter equal to 3000 plus 50 equal to 3050. Both are in milliliter now. 5 plus 3 8, 0, 3 plus 1 4. So the answer is in milliliter asking. So 4085. So according to the answer which is asked, that way we have to convert whether it is in liter or milliliter. Next one, 5000 plus 5000 milliliter plus 3450 milliliter. A question is given in milliliter and answer asking in liter and milliliter. So first we will plus 5000 plus 3450 equal to 5 plus 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 0 4, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. And the question is in milliliter getting, so we will remove 3 decimal place from right to left, 1, 2, 3. So 8 point. So 8 point means 8 liter 450 milliliter. Now the next question you see, Bundy decided to drink 1 liter of water till afternoon. He is trying to look for different ways to add up to 1 liter, help him to complete the chapter. So how he wanted to drink the water of 1 liter within afternoon. So the method is shown in the textbook and some blanks are given, so that blank you have to cover it. So here you see, first the boy is Bundy and he is going to drink 1 liter of milk, 1 liter of water. In different way he is trying, so we have to help him. So one way he tried 400 plus 300 plus dash. So this dash you have to fill up. So how you will fill up? 300 plus 400 equal to 700. 1 liter meaning is 1000. So 1000 minus 700 equal to what answer will get? 300. So in this column you can write 300. So 300 plus 300, 600 plus 400 equal to 1000. So this answer is 300. Get it? Now another way he tried, dash plus 500 ml equal to 1 liter. So here 500 ml given. So 500 plus 500 equal to 1000. So what is the missing number here? 500 ml. Now third type here, dash ml plus 750 ml equal to 1 liter. So 1000 minus 750 equal to, we will get, what answer we will get? 250 ml. So this column you can write 250 ml plus 750 ml equal to 1 liter. So this way also he can drink. Now another method he tried. Here you can see dash plus 200 ml equal to 1 liter. So what is this missing number? 1000 minus 200 equal to 800. So if we will take here 800 ml plus 200 ml equal to 1 liter. Now in this last type 1, he tried another method also. Dash plus 350 ml equal to 1 liter. So which is the missing number here? 1000 minus 350 equal to 650 ml. So what are the answers? First one here 300, here 250, here 500, here 800 and here 650. All the type when we will plus, we will get 1 liter, that is 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So this way the boy can drink water in different ways. So I hope students you had followed this today and you also complete your work in your workbook itself today. Remaining part we will do in the next video. Till then, goodbye.